Well, I've got my Mac Pro back on the bench, and this time my RME RayDat, which I've had for 14 years now, which I'm hoping to make the jump with Sonnet tech over to the laptop, definitely has some worn out ADAT ports. So as you can see, they just really don't stay in very well at all. After 14 years though, that's kind of to be expected. So I managed to find a replacement set of these ADAT ports from the RME website. If you search for Toslink, you'll find these quite easily. Now, one annoying thing about this Sapphire Radeon is I have to put this piece of plastic in to stop this daughter board from hitting the fan. So I'll be glad to see the back of that. And I wanted to do this repair, check it back in this machine before I made the jump to Sonnet PCI Express chassis box. And don't laugh at me for being over precautious with my anti-static band here. This is the heart of my studio, so I would not want to see anything happen to it, especially a silly mistake of a little bit of static. So this is going to be one of the last few times that I take this 5.1 apart. It's going to be quite strange not having a computer this big in the room, I have to say. These things were built like tanks though. So I'll just remove the word clock card, which I'm going to have to sacrifice when I go to the Echo Express SE1, because it only has one daughter board. But at the moment I'm clocking over ADAT anyway, so that's not a serious problem. And then we can just take out the main board and the main daughter board. There we go. Okay, let's go for it. So we might as well work on the daughter board first. And it looks like I'm going to have to remove this metal housing first. And let's just get the replacements out of the case. This is ever so exciting. And as you can see here how worn they are. 14 years though. Looks like they were originally hand soldered. Didn't do too well cleaning up after themselves. Still, I can't wait to get these new ones in. So we'll just have to take this face plate out. It's only 2 screws. And hope we have luck on extracting the solder from these joints here. Okay. I'll add a bit of flux just to give us the best chance that we've got. Okay, here we go. Okay, when you're putting these new ones in, always check from behind that the 3 legs go through the holes. You wouldn't want to solder this in and realise one of the legs have bent. So be sure that they've all gone in correctly. Now the idea is that we're going to solder 1 pin of each socket as we put it in, and then reassemble the faceplate so that make sure everything lines up, and then we will then resolder all the rest of the pins whilst the faceplate has got everything lined up correctly. Okay, look at that, like a new one. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. And okay, let's now tackle the main unit. This has got some hex screws for the plug-in board here, so we're going to have to take those out as well. And there's one other screw on the other side. Wow, looks amazing. I really hope I haven't messed anything up, so I have to plug it in and see. Okay, that's the job done there. It looks absolutely amazing. Let's get it in turned on. And now we can see we have clocks all round. Happy days.